Hello, pre-calc students. So we're now going over problem 19. Problem 19 says that the value of investment increases at a rate of 4% annually. If you invest $250 in 2018, in what year will your investment be worth twice the original amount? Okay? So we have an initial, let's break down parts of this word problems. We have our initial amount. That's equal to 250. And our final amount is equal to 250 times 2, which is equal to $500. The last piece of information is that we increase at a rate, so the value increases at 4% a year. So this looks like it's an exponential growth problem. So the exponential growth problem is going to equal to y is equal to a times b to the x. And here, when we're doing the value of an investment, y is going to stand for our final amount. That'll be our final value. A will be our initial amount. Initial amount. B will be the growth rate. And in this case, X is going to be time. So our final value is going to be 500 is going to be equal to 250. Now a 4% growth rate is going to be 1.04. Multiplying 250 by 1 allows it to stay constant, but adding that 0.04 turns into a growth rate.
So it's 1 plus.
Yeah, so that 1.04, that comes from 1 plus 4% growth. And 4%, remember, you have to, if you express 4% as a decimal, that's going to be 1 plus 0.04, which is equal to 1.04. So that's how you got that 1.04. And the 1.04 is raised to the x power. And if x is equal to time, it says in what year. So the answer is going to be time as well. Let me scroll down so we can look at all the space we have. Now we need to isolate the x because our x is going to be our key to our answer. First, we divide each side by 250. Now, those 250s cancel out, but 500 over 250 is going to equal 2. So 2 is equal to 1.04 to the x power. Now that we have isolated our exponential term, we know that there is a base of this exponential function. The base is 1.04.
Your attention, please.
Muting.
Destiny J. If you're in the building, I need you to come to the front office. Destiny J. Thank you.
Sorry, unmuted there. So we have our 1.04, and to convert an exponential to the logarithm, that's what we have to do to get the x out of the exponential term. We have log base 1.04, swoosh across the equal sign, so as we swoosh to that 2 of 2 is equal to swoosh across the equal sign x. And so now x is going to be equal to our time. So log base 1.04 of 2. Let's pull up the calculator. You can plug it in directly into your calculator. I have to plug it in with the change of base rule. But I can find the log base 1.04 of 2 by finding the log of 2 divided by the log of 1.04. And that will give me a value of 17.67. So x is approximately equal to 17.67. So let's look back up at that question. The value of the investment, so what is that actually asked for? In what year will your investment be worth twice the original amount? So you have to look at the year. So 17.67 years, right? Yes, so because then you do 2018 plus 2035. Let me go back to, yeah, so you'd be do, so you do, yeah, sorry, working. There we go. Sorry about that, fellow watchers. So you do 2018 plus 17.87, and so then 8 plus 7 will be 15. 5. Wait. 17.67. All right. So let me turn that into a 6. But 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Still have that 2, 0. And that's 2035.67. But the answer is going to be 2035. Because even if you're 0.67 the way, even if you're about 2/3 the way through 2035, you still call it the year 2035. So the answer is 2035, and that is problem number 19. All right, have a great day, pre-calc students.